Hello everyone, I'm Simran Daman. I hope you like my previous videos as I got a very good reviews about that. So today my topic is Boolean identities which are very important for UPSC, MSc, CSIR, NET, GATE, TOEFL, JEST, every exam of physics. Okay, now before I'm going to start, I request you please like my videos and subscribe my channel. Now before starting, you must know that where we used Boolean identities. So, Boolean identities are basically a backbone of number one, computers. Number two, circuit analysis. Okay, and the Boolean identities are very important for circuit analyzation as well as circuit designs. So these are their importances. So now, who discovered Boolean identities? Who discovered Boolean algebra? It is invented by George Boole. And when? In 1854. So basically, Boolean identities are invented as two states of algebra to solve problems. So Boolean invented two states of algebra to solve problems. Okay, fine. So these are the backbone of computer, circuit analysis, circuit designs. Who discovered it? George Boole. When? In 1854. What he invented? Two states of algebra to solve problems. Now, for starting, you must have, in Boolean algebra, you must keep in mind three very important things before doing its properties. So, the number one is that this is bar. Bar stands for note operation. Plus and dot. Plus stands for OR operation. And dot stands for AND operation. Okay, these three things are very important in Boolean algebra. So now next are properties of Boolean algebra. So you know that bar stands for NOT operation, plus stands for OR operation, and dot stands for AND operation. The next thing is properties of Boolean algebra. In this video, I'm just giving you a basic review and basic learning about Boolean identities. I'm not going to explain you proper, but I'm going to explain you with examples. How, like which type of examples in coming in UPSC, MSc, CSIR, NET examinations. So now the very important thing is properties of Boolean algebra. So starting. The number one is properties. Number one, A plus B is equal to B plus A, and A dot B is equal to B dot A. That means plus or dot operations are cumulative. So plus, that is plus, and dot operation should be commutative. Okay, fine. Next is what? A plus 1, A dot 1. A plus 1 is equal to 1 and A dot 1 is equal to A, obviously multiplication factor. Then it's A plus 0 and A dot 0. multiply 0 and answer is A. That is your second property. And third one is that A dot B plus C is equal to A dot B plus A dot C. Similarly, A plus B dot C is equal to A plus B dot A plus C. Clear? A plus B is equal to B plus C and A dot B is equal to B dot A. That is, first one is commutative. Then second is A plus 1 is equal to 1 and A dot 1 is equal to A plus 0 equal to A dot 0 0, and the last one is A dot B plus C is equal to A dot B plus A dot C. A plus B dot C is equal to A plus B into A plus C. And the last one is very important, that now fourth one is, for each A there exists a dash at least, for each A there exists at least one A dash. So one A dash means A prime, that is called component of A. For each A there, that is called component of A. Okay, fine. And such that A plus A prime is equal to, and A dot A prime is equal to, A plus A dash is equal to 1 and A dot A dash is equal to 0. That are the four properties for Boolean algebra. I hope you understand what are the properties of Boolean algebra. Before like going to further explain more laws, just keep these properties in your mind, and that is very important for solving many equations. Now, the next one is very important, which is known as Boolean law, or basically I am going to describe Boolean law in the basis of Boolean properties in a very compact and easy way. So, basically what I am going to do now, I am writing these property on the basis of Boolean law. What are Boolean laws? Just keep in your mind is that 0 bar is equal to 1 and 1 bar is equal to 0. That means it is a note operation, so apply here. So first property is that A bar is equal to A. Then second property is that A dot 0. A dot 0 is equal to 0. These are the multiplicative property, and here I am going to write addition properties. A dot 1 is equal to A. And number 4 property is A dot A is equal to A. And number 5th property is A dot A bar equal to 0. And number 6th is for addition properties, A plus 0, A. A plus 1, 1. A plus A bar, A. A plus A plus A bar, 1. Okay, fine, clear? These are the 9 Boolean identities or 9 Boolean laws that you have to keep in your mind. बच्चा for example, अगर हमारे पास A given है 0, obviously then A bar क्या आएगा? Note operation, applying note operation, answer is 1, because only 0 and 1 are there, because यहाँ पे 0 और 1 के अलावा कोई भी नहीं है. For any doubt, you can write me on comment box. I will surely make a video on that. Okay, fine. Next is I'm going to take an example in which I'm going to show the property of Boolean law. Just keep these things in mind before doing the examples. That is very important thing. question is that show that a plus b dot c is equal to a plus b dot b plus c. Just take left hand side and prove it to right hand side. So taking left hand side, a plus b dot c. As we know that students, a dot 1 is equal to a. So if I multiply a with 1, I am getting answer as a. So a dot 1 plus b dot c. Clear? Now as we know that 1 plus a is equal to 1. If I am going to write 1 plus b is equal to 1, just I am like taking this as per the question because I need to be here. So a into, I am going to replace 1 with 1 plus b dot c. A plus a dot b plus b dot c. Clear? Now further, what I want, c. Similarly, I am going to do this step again, a plus 1, a dot b plus b dot c. And I am going to write this one as 1 plus c plus a dot b plus b dot c. A dot 1 plus a dot c plus a dot b plus b dot c. Clear? As we also know that a dot a is equal to a. A dot a is equal to a. So if I am going to write here a dot a plus a dot c plus a dot b plus b dot c. Here I am going to like okay, what I am going to get a plus c plus b common a plus c, which implies a plus b and a plus c. That is basically equal to right hand side. Clear? Just taking these properties in my mind, I am able to solve this question very easily. Just take these things according to the demand of your answer, what you want at the end. Clear? Firstly I need b, so I put here b, and then I need c, then I'm take this as c. Now the next question is, this is my last question. After that I'm going to wind up my video. Show that a plus a bar b is equal to a plus b. So first thing in mind is that this a is alone. So a dot 1 plus a bar b is equal to a plus b. Okay, fine. So what I'm needing, taking left hand side, okay, 1 is equal to 1 plus b, a into 1 plus b plus a bar b. What I'm getting? A plus ab plus a bar b. So what will be the next step? What I need? A plus b. I'm going to take this as a plus ab plus I will repeat this again. Okay, taking a common, what we get? Taking b common, what we get? A plus a bar plus a. As we know that a plus a bar is equal to 1. So a plus b into 1, what we get? A plus b, that is equal to right hand side. So students, these are the basically Boolean identities and numerical based on Boolean identities. Okay, I hope you will understand the problems and you like my video. And now the next video based on De Morgan's law. Stay tuned and I hope you like my videos. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.